Good evening to the respected media. Anam, congratulations. Anam is that little sister, who I always love to have, and I think I'm safe enough to say that of the two Mirzas, I really appreciate and love her more. When she called me up a couple of days ago and she said, Vishnu, you have to come and you have to be the chief guest. I said, yeah, you got a national star, you got an international superstar in your house. Why would you want me? But she was kind enough to call me, and thank you for inviting me. And when she said, I'm starting a website, you got to come. See, generally when Anam calls, she doesn't ask, she just tells you, and I had no choice but to come. So today morning I read in the newspaper what she was going on, and it's really interesting. See, I'm not old enough to tell what it's going to be and how it should be, but Anam and all the 30 young aspiring journalists, there's one thing I'll tell you. Every time a movie, releases, half the reviews I read, and I always pray that when am I going to get good journalists? Not all the journalists, but half the reviews. And I want to shoot half of them, but that's illegal in our country. But the other half, I feel at least appreciate. Good. They at least gave an honest view. But it's sad that at least in my point of view, I see that half the journalism is self-opinionated views. They write what they feel like, but rather than what they want to do it. But Anand, from the point of view where I'm seeing it, you're starting something which is really amazing. It's not going to be a walk in the park for you. It's not going to be an easy thing for you. But if all these 30 young, aspiring journalists, fight it out, nobody's going to encourage you on this. Trust me, take my word. Nobody's going to encourage you. When you call a spade, we live in a society. We have been living in a society, and our fathers and mothers have been living in a society where nobody can take the truth very strongly. But you guys stick out for it, because the change you guys will bring with the pen is mightier than what anybody can do. See, the social media today is going to be very strong. We've seen the Delhi elections, and the change has come from mostly youngsters who've been hitting on the social media. And Anam, all the very best with this. You're going to make a huge difference. And whatever way you want us to support you, we are there. Okay? Rock on. Thank you very much.